How to get Google Chrome using CMD. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Chrome using your command prompt. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for this, you will need to type in this code to your command prompt. I will provide this on the description down below. So let's begin. So the first step here is you will need to simply search for CMD. And after you open CMD up, you will just need to copy that code and then paste it. But before that, let me show you what you'll need to do is you will need to be on your PowerShell first. So let me just head over to PowerShell. So simply type in PowerShell, hit enter, and there you will notice the PS option on the PowerShell. After you're on PowerShell, simply paste the code that you just copied, which I will be providing on the description down below. Hit enter after you do this. Since I already have my Chrome, I will not be downloading this again, but just hit enter after you type in this code and it should start downloading. And after the downloading finished, what you'll need to do is you'll simply need to exit out of your PowerShell. For that, simply type exit. So let me do that again, and you're back on your CMD. So yeah, that's basically how you download Google Chrome using CMD. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.